I've been at Closet Factory now for just under 10 years. I came to Closet Factory with 10 years previous install experience. I was in another closet company for about 8-9 years, and one of the head designers at Closet Factory now came here, and they actively tried getting me over here. And it was the best move I've ever done, by far. The other company was a job, and at Closet Factory, it's more of a career. It's a career path. It's something that you can actually excel in, life and career-wise. Without a doubt, there's opportunity to grow within the company. That's why I brought my brother in to work as an assistant with me, because I wanted him to progress in life. And here at Closet Factory, we promote with him. There's limitless potential to grow. Whether it's the smallest job that's done or the largest job, we all show appreciation for each other. And definitely one of the reasons why I chose this career is at the end of the day, I could turn around and look at what I've built, and I feel a great sense of satisfaction and accomplishment of what I've done.